Remember when you could just fix machines yourself after they broke? That's reactive DIY, and in today's industrial world, it's killing productivity. In this video, we'll break down why reactive DIY maintenance is failing and what smart factories are doing instead. Let's dive into the future of factory maintenance. The rise and fall of reactive DIY. It was practical. It was cheap. It worked then. But as machines got smarter and more complex, reactive DIY started falling behind. Today, unplanned downtime costs manufacturers up to $260,000 per hour. You can't afford to just fix it when it breaks anymore. What's replacing reactive DIY? Modern factories are leaving reactive DIY behind and adopting predictive, data-driven systems. They're installing IoT sensors on motors, gearboxes, pumps, tracking vibration, temperature, and more. All that data feeds into AI-powered platforms that detect signs of failure before breakdowns happen. With predictive maintenance, you're not reacting, you're anticipating, and that can cut downtime by up to 40%. Why reactive DIY is dangerous? Let's say a bearing starts wearing down. With reactive DIY, you might spot it during a routine check, or maybe after it fails completely. That's risky. Today's machines run faster, longer, and hotter. Delays cost big. Every unexpected failure means lost production, rushed repairs, and higher labor costs. It's not just outdated, it's dangerous. The smart maintenance upgrade. So how do you future-proof your factory? Start with a CMMS, a computerized maintenance management system to centralize everything. Add IoT sensors to your critical equipment. Layer in AI dashboards that send early alerts and schedule tasks before issues escalate. And most importantly, train your team to read data, not just react to breakdowns. Reactive DIY is no longer enough. It's slow. It's blind. It's expensive. Factories that evolve are reducing costs, extending asset life, and crushing downtime. The future of maintenance isn't reactive. It's predictive, intelligent, and proactive. If you're still stuck in reactive DIY mode, it's time for a change. Like this video, subscribe for more insights on smart factory systems, and tap the bell to stay ahead. Want a free starter guide to predictive tools and tech? Grab it in the description below.